Hello, and welcome to 24/7 Talk English. My name is Harry. Today, we're starting English Easy Practice Story Basics, Lesson Number 1. In this lesson, I will speak some simple sentences. After every sentence, I will ask you many easy questions. Your job is simple. Pause the video. Answer the question loudly, then play the video again. You can answer using one word or two words. That is perfectly okay. So, let's begin. Story 1. I don't like scorpions. They frighten me. I feel scared of them. Do I like scorpions? No, I don't. I don't like them. Do I like dogs? Yes, I do. I like dogs very much. Who doesn't like scorpions? I don't. I don't like them. What don't I like? Scorpions. I don't like scorpions. Why don't I like them? Because they scare me. Do they make me happy? No, they don't. They scare me. Do they scare me? Yes, they do. They scare me. Who scares me? Scorpions scare me. What am I afraid of? Scorpions. I am afraid of scorpions. Am I afraid of birds? No, I'm not. I'm not afraid of birds. I'm afraid of scorpions. Story 2. Lily is beautiful. She loves books. Books make her wise. Is Lily ugly? No, she isn't. She is beautiful. Is she beautiful? Yes, she is. What does she love? Books. She loves books. Does she hate books? No, she doesn't. She loves them. Why does she love books? Because they make her wise. Do books make her funny? No, they don't. They make her wise. Story 3. Tom is happy. He likes chocolate. He wants it every day. Chocolate makes him happy. Is Tom sad? No, he isn't. He is happy. Is he unhappy? No, he isn't. Does he like chocolate? Yes, he does. Does he hate chocolate? No, he doesn't. Does he like ice cream? No, he doesn't. What does he like? Chocolate. Does he want it sometimes? No, he doesn't. He wants it every day. Why does he want it? Because it makes him happy. Does chocolate make him angry? No, it doesn't. It makes him happy. Story 4. My brother and I want to buy this car. It takes us everywhere. Who wants to buy the car? My brother and I. Do we want to sell the car? No, we don't. Do we want to buy chocolate? No, we don't. We want to buy the car. Where does the car take us? Everywhere. Story 5. They are good friends. We love them, but they don't like us. Are they friends? Yes, they are. Are they enemies? No, they aren't. Do we hate them? No, we don't. Do we love them? Yes, we do. Are they bad friends? No, they aren't. They are good friends. Do they like us? No, they don't. Story 6. You know me. I am a teacher, and I know you. You are good people. Do you know me? Yes, you do. Do you know them? No, you don't. Who am I? I am a teacher. Am I a student? No, I'm not. I am a teacher. Do I know you? Yes, I do. Who do I know? I know you. Are you bad people? No, you aren't. You are good people. And this is the end of basic lesson number 1. Listen to this lesson many times. Pause after every question. Speak loudly. Don't think silently. Let the air come out of your mouth. Speaking is very important. See you in the next lesson. This is Harry from 24/7 Talk English. Bye-bye.